What's the matter, Diego? Isaac doesn't know how to play with you? Run away! Go get him, Isaac. Isaac, be careful. That's not something for you to stand on. Come here, baby. Uh-oh, Diego, he's coming to get you. Get it, Diego, get it. Get it, Diego, get it. Run away! Where'd he go? He didn't want to play with you? Oh, but you're gonna clap anyway. What a good sport you are. Oh, you're gonna climb up here now? Be careful, that's the corner. Oh, Diego hasn't had enough yet. Diego, you threw that over Isaac. You're lucky that didn't hit him, or you would be banished. Banished, banished, banished. You can play, but don't hit anybody with the ball, please. Hey, get off the blanket. Oh. Okay, I know he got you. You come here. Okay. You're fine. I know, you need to take a nap. Come on. Okay. I know, it's time for a nap.